How we get our water. Strain it out of the stream, filter it into bottles. Here we go. No, it doesn't. Okay.
Feel good though?
Very good. Like, this is so coarse. I don't feel bad at all right now.
Yeah, I wonder how many people have done the ultimate, you know what I mean?
I read at least 3 or 4 people and they said it was tight. All right. That feels good. A little slack, I'm gonna clip. Okay. That feels good. I'm gonna extend it out. So that's good. Yeah, I think you're right. I see the anchors.
Nope. I gotta do this with you. Another rose coil in the opposite.
I know, it was kind of fucking with me too.
What's this?
I don't think it's
Look at that, bro. We're higher than eagles. Look at that.
yeah. I'm catching the thermals. It's rising up. See him just circling in the thermal?
Yeah, dude.
Not even flapping his wings.
It is an eagle, isn't it?
Looks like it.
Look at this.
It's gotta be a sign, right?
Look at that, man.
Okay. We may have a tangle coming up just a bit. Maybe not. Never mind. You good? Oh, you dropped it.
What?
You dropped something. The green one's going all the way to the bottom.
Wait, a cam?
You just dropped a green cam all the way down there?
No.
Yeah.
I did?
Yep. Where was it?
Well, that's not good.
Yep. We got another one. We should only need one in theory. It's okay. Yeah, it's on a ledge about 200 feet down. It's okay. I don't even think you need it on this pitch.
Yep, I do.
Well, you got another one. How's it feel?
I don't feel bad. Yeah, they said that it does go in there, but man, I don't know if it does go in there. Pretty good about that.
You look good on it.
So I dropped a $100 cam like a fucking newbie down a wall.
Yeah, we need to upgrade to the new ones anyways. Now we have a reason to. Nice placement on the 0.4. My right leg and my arms a little.
And the only reason your arms are tired is from fucking belay.
I know. I need to get some electrolytes soon. And some water. My bladder is dry. Or it doesn't suck anymore.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah. I'm afraid to open my water bottle and drop the last of my water. The scary thing is, on a good day I know I got this, but with my legs, like what if my leg just locks in the middle of it? That's my fear. So where these two come to a V, it's roughly about that altitude and a line between these two bolts, I think. Between that bolt and that, like where these two dikes turn into a V there.
Oh, is it? Is it that high?
Yeah.
No way.
Here, look. Okay, you got me?
Oh boy.
Okay. Yep. I can't even see the next one. But I know. Oh, man.
There you go. You got it. You're almost there.
I know. I know. I can do it. I'm on the dike. Woo!
Fuck yeah. Yeah, baby.
Oh, dude.
That's it, man.
I know. I know. Good. Very good. Lots of little handholds. Lots of pockets to step in and not polished at all. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. Thanks. I'm at a bolt. I'm at 2 bolts. Yeah. Possibly have to do down climb. I think this is what we need to do. How much more rope do you even have? I can't make it 30 feet.
Let's evaluate.
Okay.
And I'll take off. I'll take off, and then if I can go, okay, so I'll got the anchor for you.
Hell yeah!
Dude, I gotta be honest with you. This is kind of exactly the experience I was hoping for, man.
Yeah,
Just me and you, got another soul in the wall,
that's right.
getting a good start.
Dude, my hams are going. My arms are going. I don't know why my arms are out. They're never out.
Nutrition.
I think I'm out of water.
You might be. Dude, if you're out of water, we're done.
Well, I got my bottle. Still.
We have 4 more of what we just did.
It is undescribable. There's Nevada Fall.
Look how long the slabs are.
It's just so hard to describe.
No, we go get it, man.